Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, Virgos. So, let's see what are these cards. We have Messenger of Earth, Two of Water, and Six of Fire. So, in your situation, guys, Virgos, you are someone who is really hard working. You are making a lot of efforts in your work situation and even in this relationship. You have that patience, grit, and perseverance. You want to go the distance, try hard, do everything in your limit best, putting in your abilities, concentration, doing your best, and you are someone really dedicated and devoted. So whatever you take up, you never leave anything halfway, guys. You are dedicated and determined, and that is the reason you are going to see success in your situation very soon, Virgos. So opportunities are going to knock you, and all your hard work is going to pay off. You need not worry. For some of you, you may see some kind of a difficult situation today, maybe some obstacles, stressful circumstances that needs you to work even harder. But you need to understand that honest efforts will never go for waste, guys. So all that you are doing today, it is going to take you towards success and prosperity. You just have to have that trust in your situation, guys. And maybe for some of you, in your relationship or in your career situation, you are having a better understanding with people. You are moving towards a harmonious relationship. You have a beautiful understanding flowering in this connection. You love each other. You you share a great compatibility, mutual respect, caring, and love for each other, and you feel really confident with this person. And maybe this connection is something like a twin flame or a soulmate connection. You share a deep level of understanding and a deep connection with this person, guys, Virgos. And for some of you, you are moving towards a partnership, a business partnership, or a collaboration, something that gives you greater pushes you towards greater success and prosperity in your life, guys, Virgos. And things are going in a positive way, and in your circumstances, people are feeling really inspired and confident with you. And it may be the way this person feels when they are with you, and they feel that you are their inspiration, and you are the source of strength and courage and love, and they are simply basking in that warm light, warm positive light you are radiating, guys, Virgos. So that is what I see, guys. And maybe this person and yourself, you may share a karmic connection or a twin flame soulmate connection. That may be the reason for that deep level of understanding and love we see with these cards, Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, so we will see what it is later. Now for this first card, for those who chose this card, it is regeneration. So in your situation, guys, in your life today, our practical living, our life is based on connections and relationship. So no matter what has happened in the past, maybe there has been some kind of ending in your life, some separation or something, some inevitable circumstance has taken you away from this person or taken them away from you. But you need not worry, guys, because there is love after any loss that you have faced, and right now you are in that regeneration, a time for a rebirth in your life today. So you are getting second chances, more authentic, more stronger than what you had before. So you will be able to build a better relationship with someone you love, and destiny is waiting to be fulfilled in wonderful ways for you right now, guys. And you are feeling overwhelmed with love or positive energy, so you have that positive energy surging up in you, waiting to connect with another person. So you need to understand that you are moving towards new opportunities or second chances, a time for a rebirth and new opportunities that are available to you right now in your love situation, or it may be even a situation in your career, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have taboos. So with this card, guys, for y'all in your circumstances today, you have met with a person. Maybe this may be someone new. You do not have a deep knowledge about this person, but this person is not what they seem to be, guys. They are hiding something and they have some hidden motives or hidden past, something that could be dangerous to you and this connection. And if you are feeling curious to know more about this person, you should try to know more about them, find out more about them, guys. And if you have friends who are suggesting you certain things about this person, maybe whatever they heard, you should listen to them. You should not avoid what people who are your soul family, who are really close, who have that truthful concern on you, whatever they are telling you today or trying to tell you today, you should listen to it, guys, because it might take you towards truth. And in your situation, they may have a better clarity or better perception of what is going on, and they are here to help you and protect you. So you need to listen to them. So if you do not have that clarity or trust with this person whom you have met just now, whom you have known only for some time now, you have to be really careful, guys. That is the energy with this card. So you need to trust the people whom you can trust, on whom you have that what to say, or who have that total you have that total confidence. So you need to trust those people. So listen to the family which loves you, and they will be able to see what you cannot see. Maybe you are up close and personal with this person, and your perception will be different from their perception. So you need to listen to the people who love you, guys. And maybe if you do not know this person deeply, you have to be careful with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.